The aerator has been out on the oval again. I noticed some spikes and some tractor marks on the oval, but if we come in close and have a bit of a look down lower here, I noticed that little piles of dirt. And those little piles of dirt are actually worm castings. There's a good one just there of how a worm has worked through the soil and dug up some of the soil, put some of its wee and poo, I guess, in the soil. It becomes fertilizer. There's another pile here of little castings, and I can just sort of see a little hole where they've come from. Not only does the worm help to aerate the soil and stop it from becoming compacted, it also helps to fertilize the soil as well. There's another good pile of worm castings that will spread out over the oval and be good fertilizer for the green grass to grow again. It's another good example, quite blobby sort of lump. So that is a worm casting, and makes me wonder how many worms there must be all around this oval, helping to keep the oval healthy. Some of the worm castings are thick and blobby, and I wonder if they've come up through the clay sort of soil. This one's a bit more spread out, and maybe it's had time to dry off, but you can see as it dries off, it could float off and become fertilizer. Probably is mostly dirt, but it's also mixed in there would be worm wee and worm poo. Might have to do another hand sanitize today. But so worms in the soil are one of the soil's best friends. And there's some more of that onion grass that the white cockies might have had a go at. See if I can pull some up. And there's those bulbs. Even out on the oval here. The white cockies didn't quite get those ones out. If it was a white cocky, there's food aplenty for bird life. And there's a bit of extra poo though beside the oval here. Either possum or fox. I'm guessing fox. Group of crows feeding today. There's another question for you. What do you call a group of crows? What's the collective noun for a group of crows? These ones letting me get quite close. I wonder what they're feeding on. There's our group of crows again flying off. So just watched where those crows have been eating, and noticed there were some worm castings, some which had been disturbed. And I wonder if the crows know where the worm castings are and then dig down around there, because they know that that's a clue where a worm is going to be. Clever birds are crows.